Typically, we don't install the drawer faces on the field. This comes already attached from the shop. But since today we have these ones to do, I decided to shoot a small video on how we do it. There are many ways to do it, and this is just one of them. I have 3/4 material, flat stock with a 1" by 1/8 roughly stainless steel frame. So this is gonna go over here. So the steps that we utilize are: number one, we drill a 5/16 hole, and you see it on on the sides because typically the door faces have a top and bottom rail in two styles, but this one is flat, so it doesn't matter where the holes are on this one. The second step is to utilize these little pointy things. I don't know if you can see them. These are the things that are used to point the center of when you are doing dowels, and we use them to put them over here, and we use them to put them in the holes. And the purpose of this being so I can take my drawer face, align the bottom with the bottom of the cabinet, and then leave my 1/8 reveal on the left. I'm just visually doing it, and then I push, and that gives me two small dots, 2 points. Then I use either a countersink bit or a small bit just to increase the size of the holes. That is one, that is the other one. Then I go ahead and remove these little things. Okay, remove them. Take one of the screws. When I'm installing the drawer face, it doesn't have to be completely like this. I just need to guide my screw to the hole, the first one. Let it go in a little bit. Then do the second one. Okay. Ready. So, because of these ones, they are 5/16. I have some play now. I can adjust the drawer face. I'm flush over here, so I'm good. I'm not flush over here, so I just hit my drawer a little bit. Okay, now I'm flush, 1/8 plus, so I'm gonna hit it to the left. Okay, now it's ready. Now, I know the undermount clips have adjustment up and down. I know there are clips a little bit more expensive that adjust the drawer face left and right, but this is not the case. We don't have those clips over here. And the purpose that we do this like this is because we don't do handles at the shop. We wait until everything is installed, and then we have to readjust because everything moves on transportation. That's the whole purpose of it. Then when we install over here, we adjust, we put the handle, and then the handle locks the drawer face in place. It doesn't move anymore. So now that I have the first one, I go ahead and I use a 1/8 piece of aluminum spacer. Go over here, put the two little things again, Okay, and I'm ready for the second one. The second one just sits on top of this one. Make sure it aligns on the left. Push it. Increase the size of the little dot. And remove these things. And I could have removed the two drawers and used clamps. You know, like I said, there are different ways to do these steps. Take my first screw, and then see, when I don't have help, I don't have to struggle. I just put one tip on the floor, make sure I can reach the second one, the hole over here. Okay, I don't have it really tight down. Then I lift the second one. Okay, now I go ahead and tighten it a little bit more. Close it and adjust it. I need to go up over here. I need to go to the left. Okay, so I start with this one. I have that little bit of play. Okay, it's almost there. Perfect. Now it's ready. After putting the handles, we're not doing handles today, but after putting the handles, then I have the adjustment on the bottom to go up and down if I need it. Okay, so there you have it. I'm gonna do the last one. Just a little bit, so I can do it over here. I hold the box, the drawer box, with my right hand side over here. I can do it over here, or I can do it the other way. I hold the drawer face and I hit the drawer box. Either way, that's it. A little bit more. That's it. A little bit down over here. Perfect. So there you have it, another way to install drawer faces. Thank you for watching.